Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a primary page on Facebook Business Manager. This is essential for establishing which page represents your business officially across Meta's platforms, ensuring consistent branding and streamlined management of your business assets. Let's start by heading over to facebook.com in your browser. Once you're there, log in using your Facebook business account credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page listed there. This is the page associated with your business that you want to manage through Business Manager. Once you click on your business page, you'll be redirected to your Facebook business management page. This is where you can oversee various aspects of your page, from posts to insights. Now look over to the left navigation menu again and locate Meta Business Suite. This is Facebook's centralized hub for managing your business presence across Facebook and Instagram. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. You'll now find yourself on the Meta Business Suite homepage, which gives you an overview of your business activity and performance. At this point, you need to access your business settings, so locate the Profile drop-down menu, usually found at the top of the page. Click on it and a business portfolio selection window will appear. From this window, look for the gear icon, which represents business settings, and click on it. This icon is your gateway to all the configuration options for your business portfolio. Once you're in the business settings menu, it's time to designate your primary page. To do this, find and click on Business Info from the left navigation panel. This section contains all the fundamental information about your business setup. Here, you'll see your business name displayed along with your business portfolio ID. Next to this information, look for the Edit button and click on it. This will allow you to modify your business portfolio details, including setting your primary page. A small window will now appear where you can edit your business portfolio information. You'll notice two fields provided for making changes. In the field labeled Primary Page, enter the full URL of the page you wish to set as your primary page. Make sure you type the complete address, including facebook.com/your page name. Double-check that the URL is correct to avoid any issues. Once you've entered the URL, click on Save to confirm your changes. Facebook will process this update, and your chosen page will now be designated as the primary page for your business portfolio. And that's it. You've successfully added a primary page to your Facebook Business Manager, which will now serve as the main representation of your business across Meta's ecosystem. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.